chase a distant view. Now I'm waking up to you. All the noise I held so tight fades into a quieter kind of right. Love what you have, right where you stand. Not every dream needs a bigger plan. Hands in the moment, heart finally still. Some things don't need fixing, some never will. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a kind of magic in the simple stuff. City hum like a gentle song. Nothing here feels rushed or wrong. Used to think I'd missed my turn. Now I see there's more to learn. I don't need the perfect scene, just a life that feels like me. All the gold I couldn't see was already here quietly. Love what you have, right where you stand. No more reaching for another land. Here in the present, I understand. Everything I needed was close at hand. Love what you have, let it be enough. There's a steady beauty in the simple stuff. Soft as a whisper, clear as a truth. I was searching for more, found it in you.
Under the sky where the moonlight plays, ripples dance in the river's grace. Dreams float by on a soft embrace, whispering tales of a gentle breeze. Stars above in a velvet blue, casting wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel walking past the old bakery. The morning light once caught your hair. The scent of rain on cobblestone mingles with memories I can't repair. I trace the path we used to know, past windows reflecting what I can't let go. 'Cause every breeze that passes by carries fragments of goodbye, like perfume in the air tonight, leading me back to our time. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories sweet. Your presence lingers incomplete. Still blooms with roses, jasmine, pine. Now each breath of summer air just leaves me searching line by line. Through chapters of our story long, while seasons change and pathways cross, the scent grows stronger as I roam through places we once called our home. Each corner holds a piece of you and fragments of your sweet perfume. And I know that you're not coming back. The air still holds you close, and I feel every trace you left behind, like a map I can't erase. Your fragrance haunts these lonely streets, a ghost I chase but cannot meet, through alleyways and memories. Presence linger incomplete. The autumn wind carries something familiar through empty streets at dusk, but this time I let it pass me by.
I wanna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning. No perfect lines, no cage, no ceiling. Just stare my lungs wide open, feeling. Let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for it.